Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Maasai Jump. Stand with your feet about hip-width apart, ensuring your body is aligned and relaxed. This traditional jump, also known as Adumu, is not just a dance. It is a powerful way to demonstrate strength and agility. We will break down each step, making it easy for you to learn this impressive and culturally rich movement. Prepare to elevate your fitness and connect with an ancient practice through simple, clear instructions. Mastering the Maasai Jump begins with your foundation. Keep your back straight, chest out, and gaze forward, fixing on a point ahead. Allow your arms to hang naturally at your sides, slightly bent at the elbows, ready to assist your upward thrust. Your core should be gently engaged, providing stability and preparing your body for a powerful, controlled spring. This initial stance is crucial for both safety and effectiveness as you learn. Initiate the jump by bending your knees slightly, then explode upwards, pushing powerfully off the balls of your feet. Drive your arms up simultaneously, using their momentum to propel you higher into the air. Aim to keep your legs straight and close together while airborne, reaching for maximum height. Imagine a string pulling you directly towards the sky, maintaining a graceful, elongated form throughout your ascent. As you begin your descent, prepare for a soft landing by slightly bending your knees to absorb the impact. Land gently on the balls of your feet, letting your heels briefly touch down to stabilize your body. Immediately coil again for the next jump, maintaining a consistent rhythm and flow without pausing. Practice connecting these movements smoothly, aiming for 5 to 10 continuous jumps, building endurance and control with each repetition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.